I'm very interested in solar power and solar energy and sunlight.
At Little Sun, we bring clean power and solar lights to communities living without access to electricity in Africa.
Little Sun is the perfect collaborator for this project. The way that they bring beauty and art and design into this very technical way of working with solar panel.
Energy in everyday life, we need to reconsider how we experience it.
The SAMMANLÄNKAD range is really special. They're beautiful products. They work with the power of the sun. They're something that you can relate to emotionally, that you can take home. Something that carries the narrative of solar energy into your hands, onto your desk.
This is the sun shining right here next to me. But I recorded the sun and I'm playing the sun now.
I believe together we can shape the way the world sees solar energy. It's only a small nudge that we can deliver, and many nudges are needed, but we need to transform the way the world uses energy. And we're excited to see how much solar energy we can spread in the world.